In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Then tap on Face Unlock under Screen Lock and enter your current login method. When you're ready, select Start at the bottom. Wait 5 seconds and hit Next in Attention pop-up. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. When you're ready, you can name your face data however you want to. And select Done. Then manage all of those options. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!